parents pomp and show and the display of achievement. Now this is one of the basic concepts in psychology that we would discuss, highly important for your answer writing, but more important to understand that when parents are trying to share the academic or co-curricular achievements of their child over social media or within the family, it creates a kind of deep psychological motivation to do so. And if these goals remain unfulfilled, they can have a significant mental trauma for the child. So one of the major reasons why parents try to do this is a parental validation that comes in the form that they want people to accept that they are really a good parent, they have been a successful parent, and they are trying to validate that through the external parameters. There is always a desire to outperform, and using your child as a metric for the same becomes one of the major factors. Then there are factors which lead to bringing in or gaining approval from the peer groups, from the online support system, from your near and dear ones, and public recognition becomes the key aspect. In this whole process, the mentality or the mental setup of the child is actually kept aside, and they are not taken into primary consideration. So just to have your sit into a competitive social world, you are trying to bring in your children to the forefront. Now this would help you manage your anxiety, but what about the anxiety of the child? So there are certain factors which have been introduced under researchers to understand what common mental hurdles children face if they are unable to fulfill the desired goals and expectations that parents want them, and if parents are unable to fulfill their pomp and show desires because of this. So this could lead to significant drop in performance of a child. There could be a constant fear of failure, which could create a pessimist personality. Identity crisis occurs in children. Then there can be significant burnout, resentment, and a high intrinsic motivation which is declining, a high level of decline which has been seen with intrinsic motivation. There could be a lot of extrinsic motivation, but that is something that is required on a regular basis, and if that is not fulfilled, that internal or intrinsic motivation declines significantly. So to have a healthy development, it is important to have intrinsic goals and intrinsic motivation. Drive your child for what they really want to achieve, work with them together, and it should not be just the final outcome which is important. The mental health and the emotional health of the child is beyond all external and extrinsic metrics, so that should be major focus, and understanding that your role is to support the child, not to bring in your own glory in society. So those are some of the important aspects that we have covered under this topic, very important for psychology answer writing. We would introduce numerous case studies in the upcoming classes where we would focus specifically the outcomes of certain cases and certain studies in this segment. Very important. Stay tuned for more concepts and answers. Thanks for joining in.